Hello guys, this is Joseph from Pinescript Pro.net. I tried to explain the alarm function to you in the previous video, and you can watch the videos in our YouTube channel in here. In today I will try to explain you the Array.abs function. So let's go our slide and coding page. Firstly, I will try to explain the Array.abs function, then syntax, and then we will make two examples. Which one is about absolute price differences and the other is about absolute moving average, and finally we will make summary about our video. So what is Array.abs function? A Pinescript Array.abs function is an invaluable resource for developers and traders who want to design efficient data-driven trading methods. An extensive description of the Array.abs function, including usage, syntax, and practical examples, will be given in this video. You should know exactly how to use the Array.abs method in your own Pinescript trading strategy by the end of this video. So let's recognizing the use cases and objectives of the Array.abs function. To find the absolute values of the items in a given array, use the Array.abs function. When working with oscillators, price discrepancies, or any other trading indicator that incorporates both positive and negative numbers, this is especially helpful. The Array.abs function lets you focus on the size of the chains rather than their direction by transforming negative values to positive ones. This can assist you in spotting possible trading opportunities like noteworthy changes in price or reveals in trend. So what is the syntax? The syntax for the Array.abs function is as follows: Array.abs id, where id is in the input array containing the numeric elements that you want to calculate the absolute values for. So when we have to use syntax, we are using the Pinescript's helping document. So let's create real world examples. Firstly, we are going our TradingView account and we are opening a new indicator. So firstly we will doing absolute price differences. Yes, in this example we will compute the absolute differences between consecutive closing prices using the Array.abs function. So firstly we are going to write the code and explain the code. First we are writing the version, or we are using version 5, and then let's write the indicator name. Absolute price differences overlay true, and let initialize an array to store absolute price differences. We are writing this code: price diff array equal array.new float is 0. Okay, let's loop the bars. Loop through the last 5 bars, yes, for e 1 to 5 by 1, and then let's calculate the price difference. If it is small, let's make the page bigger. Difference between consecutive closing prices. Okay, then let's make differences close e close e minus 1. Then let's calculate the absolute difference. Apps differences math abc diff. Okay, then let's push the absolute difference to the array dot push price diff array abc diff. Okay, then let's calculate the absolute price difference. We are going to write a b d price diff array dot abc price diff array, and let's create a label to display the absolute price difference, label new. Okay, and if bar state dot is last new label dot new x equals bar index and y equals close and style. Let's write the style label dot style label left. Okay, and let's write the color equals we are going to write white A6A6FA, and text color is color black, and size equals size large. Text, and let's write absolute price difference equals okay, and then let's write the string toast string. We have to write array dot get abd price diff, and okay. Finally, we are going to write delayed previews label to avoid overlapping. Okay, label dot delete new label 1. Okay, yes, finished the label. Okay, yes, why close. Let's look at the wrong ones. Okay, I'm trying to find the problem. Okay, color. Yes. Let's write again. Okay. I hope it's okay. Okay. Okay, yes, we find the problem and let's add the chart. Yes, as you see in here that absolute moving average oscillator is 1 4. So closing price, we try to find the difference between the consecutive closing price and the differences. Yes, as you see that this is the closing and this is the biggest price. So what we have learned in this script, the script specifies the Pinescript version and the indicator's title. This is the indicator's title. This is to initialize an array, price diff array, to store absolute price differences. It loops in this in here. It loops through the last 5 bars and calculates the differences between consecutive closing prices. Then it calculates the absolute differences and pushes it into the price differ array. Then it calculates the absolute price differences using the Array.abs function. In here it creates a label, new label, to display the absolute price differences on the chart if it is the last bar, as you see that. And finally it delays the previous label to avoid overlapping. The script allows traders to visualize the absolute price differences between consecutive closing prices over the last 5 bars directly on the chart. Okay, let's go to the new example. We make absolute price differences, and now we are going to make absolute moving average oscillator. Okay, let's open new indicator. In this example, absolute moving average oscillator. In this example, we will build an oscillator based on the difference of the two moving averages, and we will compute the oscillator's absolute values using the Array.abs method. So I want to share this code I prepared yesterday. Firstly, let's check the code. Okay, let's remove and add the chart. Okay, great. Now again we make the code quickly, and I will try to explain the code. So let's make the page bigger and let's explain. We are using version 5, and we wrote the absolute moving average escalator in here. This is our script's name, and overlay is false. So when we make overlay is false, as you see that it is independent from the chart. When we write this true, for example, it is, yes, as you see that it is in the on the chart, as you see that. So we are making overlay false, and let's update. As you see that it is overlay is false. So let's calculate the short term and long term simple moving average. We are using short term MA is TASMA close 9, long term is 21. Then when we want to calculate the oscillator differences between short term and long term moving average, oscillator equals short term minus long term. Then we have to initialize an array to store absolute oscillator values. We are creating abs oscillator array equals array new float. Then loop to push oscillator values into the array for e 0 to 50 by 1. In here we push the oscillator values in the array, and then we created a label for displaying absolute oscillator value in here, as you see that, and then delete the previous label to avoid overlapping label dot delete new label 1. So as you see that in here we can change the graphic design and color also, and precision. As you see that we can change the precision in here. So the indicator allows traders, as you see, yes, allows traders to observe the absolute difference between short-term and long-term moving averages, providing insights into potential trends or reversals in the market. Yes, in summary, for traders who wish to develop strategies that account for the size of price fluctuations independent of their direction, Pinescript's Array.abs function is a useful tool. The Array.abs method was thoroughly explained in this video, along with its use cases, syntax, and useful examples. You can use the array function in your own Pinescript trading techniques to change your decision making and spot market opportunities. Now that you have a true understanding of it and its uses, you can develop strategies that are more efficient, data-driven, and better matched to your trading requirements by using this function appropriately. Thank you for watching. See you next video. Bye.